Today we're going to talk about our stainless steel nozzle tip for flexible plastic nozzles. We developed this nozzle tip to provide all the benefits of our flexible plastic nozzle, plus exceptional durability in aggressive machining environments. The tip can be positioned very close to the cutting tool because it is highly resistant to damage from flying chips. There are three ways to get the stainless steel nozzle tip on your system. The first option is to order a complete new system and specify option T when configuring the system outputs. The second option is to order a replacement nozzle that already has the stainless steel nozzle tip on it. You can order that under part number 6121-P-XP-SS, where the X in the part number denotes the nozzle length. For instance, 6121-P-12P-SS would denote a 12-inch plastic flexible nozzle with the stainless steel tip. The third option is to order a retrofit kit under part number 301735. To install a stainless steel nozzle tip onto a current system, first begin by removing the current plastic nozzle from the nozzle coupler block. If you are replacing the entire nozzle assembly, simply reinstall this onto the nozzle coupler block. If you're replacing just the tip, remove the plastic tip from the current nozzle and reinstall the stainless nozzle tip. When you're done, reinstall the nozzle onto the nozzle coupler block. To order a stainless steel nozzle tip, or if you have any questions, contact us.